create, see, I can't do this by 3 lines. If I did separation, I went 3, 3, 3. There's many ways to do it. There's small and then there's big. Okay, I'm going to do separation by 2. And then I'm going to, you see when it's, I did it by 2, right? Oh, I made a mistake. Hold on a second. Right? Like the hotel chain. Then we're going to go like that. Then we're going to go like that. Now, if we wanted to create it properly in a smaller form, right? I went 2 by 1 by 2. Then 2 by 1 by 2. Crisscross it in, right? And then we have, if you want, we can create that. We can also finish it off like that, right? And now we have our Star of David, 3 X's, just like in bowling. But when we're doing it this way, what I'm going to do is we're going to draw it up like that. When I draw it up like that, what we're looking to understand, we're going to finish the formation to cover up the complete star, right? We're going to cover up the complete star. Cover up the complete star. So now we've covered up the complete star. So we take this here and we run it in this way. And we're supposed to come to this level over here, but we're going to come down to the full form. And we come here and we run it in this way. Let me just So this is the way I designed the ace based on the Star of David. Now we can ask ourselves questions. What are we going to do with the bottom part here, right? We only created one dimensional, right? I'm only using the up. I used the up and the down. I just showed you the Star of David, what creates that separation. I'm trying to see what other dimension is going to come out of this. Should there be another dimension? And then we're going to and that's why I call the Star of David and what I call this is divide. And then we have the E world. Which world is it? Is it the E world or the A world, right? So what we're going to do is 500, 009, third letter 005. Sorry, made that wrong for a second. 001, 5, 001, 500. Now, am I separating this between here and here and actually going 501, 105. Where do I get these numbers from? Should I also maybe be looking at this as 504, 405? Can I also look at it as 506, 605? Now, where do I get this? Well, Roman numerals, this, okay, is 4, 5, and 6. So that's going to say the Federation, or the Fed in short. And when I do it the other way, it's like deaf and silent, but have they been fed? Is it the feed? We're not going to get into that dimension. The numeric value of each one is 15. Now its average is 5. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. The 4, 5, and 6, 4 times 5 times 6 equals to 120, so it equals to less than. This is the numeric value, agenda 201, and that would be your moon agenda. The moon in size diameter is 2160. All I need is 201. The 6 is just for its rotation. This is the cube. This is time. I need 201 because if I add 2100, all zeros equal to 6. This becomes the letter M, which becomes 13, and another representation of the moon. And just to note, there are 7 months of 31 days. But we also know that there are 12 months of 13 days. So we're going to do 12 by 13 is 156 based on the female Bat's Mitzvah. After 12 years, 13 moons. And here we're going to have 7 months of 31. So 7 by 31 is 217. And we're going to get this number, 463. I'm going to keep it to the long count. 7 and 6, 13 is 1. Here is 7, 373. I'm going to think about what it is. I know it's creation within the gate. 3 and 3 is the bookends. We create on this side 31. We create on this side 31. Now we're talking about 2 cubes. At the same time, in the center, 3 by 3 is 9 by 7 is 63. So it's going to be 63 plus 13 is 76. So it's going to be 31, 76, and 31. And then we're going to go 4, 4, 4. 7 and 6, 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 11 times 11 times 11 equals 13, 31. These two will end up to be L and U. Multiplication and addition will create 1221. Then it'll create 3 and 3. So if we want, we can go B, C, C, B. 1 and 1 is 2. If we continue the mathematics inside of this. So this is LU, LU between all 3 of them. So it's 33, 33, 33, 21, and 12. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. Or we can work it as 3 and 3, whichever way you want to go. So we'd end up with 9 or 27 at the end. 2 by 2 by 2. 9 or 27. And we're going to leave the video at this. Welcome into the house of AA. Thank you for watching the Holy Spirit, which is also known as spirit wine alcohol. Thank you for watching.